Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm making Pakistani style crispy chicken broast. It's flavorful, juicy and tender from inside but crispy and crunchy from outside. And I'm making some sesame rice along with that, which is a very different recipe but turns out amazing. So let's go and make it happen. So first I'm taking some drumsticks with the skin on. You can take regular chicken pieces as well, but with the skin because skin will make our chicken crispy. Then with the help of fork, I am poking some holes onto our chicken. With this will make sure that all the marination, everything will go deep down into the chicken. Then I'm transferring these chicken pieces into a shallow dish so chicken will stay in a single layer. Then I'm sprinkling some salt and some red chili powder on top of our chicken. And then I rub this salt and pepper on the individual chicken pieces, then flip the chicken and then sprinkle some salt and pepper again. Rub your chicken pieces from inside with this on the skin and on inside the skin as well. So all this seasoning will go inside the chicken. Then I'm adding some vinegar. You can add some lemon juice as well, and the vinegar, all the chicken pieces should be dipped in this vinegar. Then I'm covering this chicken pieces and put it in the fridge for marination for at least 8 hours. Then I'm transfer this chicken pieces into a colander so all this extra juices and vinegar will drip down. Then I'm taking a bowl and cracking some egg and adding some milk. This way I'm making some egg wash for our chicken. Let's keep this egg mixture on the side. Then I'm taking a big bowl and adding some flour, salt, chili powder and mustard powder and make the seasoned flour. Chicken broast doesn't call for any baking powder for this recipe. Now pick up all those marinated chicken pieces and then stretch the chicken back upward, and this skin will make our chicken more crispier. Now dip this chicken pieces into your egg wash and then dredge them with the seasoned flour. Cover all over, then transfer this chicken piece into a flat tray, and then you can put this tray into the fridge. This will make sure the chicken will absorb all the flour. Then I'm heating some oil and just coating the flour again on the chicken, and then transfer this chicken into our hot oil. And I'm frying in a deep fryer, but if you're frying in a regular wok, just make sure you cover the chicken first. This will make your chicken juicy and tender from inside but crispy from outside. Then I'm just lining up some tray, adding some grill pan, and then transfer our cooked chicken onto it and putting it in the oven. This will make sure the chicken will stay warm and crispy until we fry rest of our chicken. Now I'm making some rice. For that I'm heating up some pan, add some sliced onions and chopped green chilies in there, frying until onions started getting that nice color. I add some minced garlic, cook until garlic is fried up. Then I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. And now we need to cook until tomatoes are soft and tender. Then I'm adding sesame seeds, mix well, and then I'm adding pre-soaked and washed rice, adding enough water to cook rice, add salt, and then we will cover and cook this rice mixture until extra water dries out and you can see the bubbles on top of your rice. Mix well again and then add the remaining sesame seeds. Then I'm adding some green chilies on them and cover and let this cook until rice are completely tender. You can use pre-boiled rice and make them like a fried rice as well. So this way all your fried chicken broast is ready with the sesame rice. This you can serve them with french fries, broast sauce, ketchup, or whatever you like, and of course with the rice. If you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.